There we go. Hello guys, this is Friday, October the 17th. It has been a super duper busy week because this is the first week I've been in the office after training, and it has been so constant. I have not even hardly looked at the TV. I've not read a book. I've practically need to make an appointment to go to the bathroom, really. So, yeah, it has been nuts. I cannot find my selfie stick. That is why you guys are so far away, because I have you propped up on a little teeny Govee lamp. So I got my Erin Condren planner. I was debating heavily, I gotta get some scissors, if I should get one or not, because last year's planner, I don't know why, but I started out real good and then I really did not use it. And it was even like an 18-month planner. So this time I am vowing to use it. And in fact, I think I'm gonna take it to work with me to see if I have time to do stuff with it. So I may get closer and hold stuff up for you because I don't know how else to do this. I have a cat sitting here. So anyway, this is how it comes. Watch out, fudge. This is how it comes. And all I did was get the planner. I didn't get any pins. I didn't get any extra stuff. I have gotten the pins before, but, oh, they included a pin. That's interesting. So that's what it looks like after you take the paper off. And it looks like they included a pin this time. And a cat. So in this little pouch is a 20% off your next order, which is not a lot, but it's better than nothing. Here's a pen. I got my old glasses on, so I can't really see anything. I'm not done spraying my hair yet. So here's our 20% off coupon and a little note that says hello. I'm kind of rushing because, hey, now don't overtake my spot because I need to eat some before I go to work. Oh, these are postcards. That's what these are. When's the last time you have sent a postcard? I've never sent a postcard probably since I've been a little tiny kid for some reason. So all that's left is my planner. Oh, this is different this year. They include these little things that I never use, but I don't know, I may use it this year. It clips on your coil here. And I guess you can trace things and use it for a ruler. But I picked Hello Kitty. And this time they let you pick the color of the front and back of your planner. So this was a really light pink and I made it a dark pink. But they still have the same stuff inside. They still have the same color scheme. Nothing's changed there. Like this is February. You know, they got those little thingies there. And I wish it was more colorful. So you open it up. I have not put together that one selfie stick that I bought, that one I did the video on. You open this up, and this is a page where you can put a marker on and then erase it. And this is just a kind of a cover thing. And then there's your life planner. And then you get now I bought one from, I think mine's September to next December. And you also get some of these pages where you can write notes and lists and things. I usually put my Christmas list on there. And then before each month, it kind of has a page, different color page like this. And I wish I could have my selfie stick, but no. So you saw what the month looks like. And then these things are just different colors. And then you can choose how you want your planner. Do you want it vertical? Do you want it horizontal or timely? Timely is when they have the times down and little slots. I always like it horizontal. Then I can write things that have happened that day. So I do need to go back and fill all this stuff in. Like this is October. And, you know, the colors change. And then this is October's little thingy. And so it goes out through the month. They're heavy pages. And they do have these really nice heavy tabs. And then at the back, at the very end, after December, you have some lined pages. And those are always nice. You've got several of them. You have a little 2027 calendar. And then they give you some stickers. These stickers are all right. I mean, if you don't have anything else to decorate with, they're okay. I will use the birthday ones. I really would like to go to Hobby Lobby and get some Hello Kitty stickers. And then they have a page of this that has a little thing you can stick stuff in. And then there is another thing you can use, one of those erasable markers. And that's it. So I do have those gel pens that I showed you guys. So I am going to use those. Am I going to use these postcards? No. I might keep this 20% off thing. I don't know about this pen. I'm picky about pens. So that is a really fast rundown of my life planner. I got this yesterday. Let's see, it's 6:26. Okay. It's hot in here. I am just dying. It's supposed to be 80s today, and then we're supposed to get some storms, and the weekend's supposed to be colder. So, I have a couple other things to tell you guys, but I'm going to use a separate video for that because I don't want to mix it with the planner video. So that is it. I don't have anything else to unbox. I haven't bought anything. So that is that. Hopefully today, being a Friday, will not be as busy, but it hasn't been horrible. But there has been a lot of things come up this week that we did not learn in training. And I think we're going to come up with a lot of those things. Yeah, but I think that's just how it is. My trainer showed us the basics, which we really definitely had to have. And then these little things we can get from our team. I spent some time with my friend yesterday, and she walked me through a lot of things. She showed me a lot of things I had no idea. I'm doing more calls. I finally got a little earpiece headset that's not dropping all the time and people can't hear me. So I made a lot of calls yesterday, and so I might concentrate on making a lot of calls today if I have time. So that is all I have. I am just like dying. I gotta get the fans back on. In fact, we were going to take the air conditioners out this weekend because it's supposed to be in the 60s and low 70s next week. So I don't know. We might not take those air conditioners out. We'll have to see. All right, guys, that's all I have for now. I made a little cup of one of those little mac and cheese cups I'm going to eat this morning, and that's all I got. I had McDonald's yesterday for breakfast. That was good. I get number 8. The bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. Man, I wish I had one of them today. Okay, that's all I got. I will see you guys later.